Do 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 do. Woke up again in an old motel. Is it something different? I can't tell. Every cell of curtains opens to the open road, and I'm missing you like hell. This van is like a prison cell. I know you have gone with her, and I can't go back home. I've been American dreaming. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm American dreaming. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm American dreaming. Whoa, whoa, whoa. But I never seem to get no rest. I should get some rest today, then pack my bags, be on my way. But my mind's always working on the way it could have been. Trying to toe a tightrope line, find a way to feel how fine without drowning in this wine, calling you again. I've been American dreaming. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm American dreaming. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm American dreaming. Whoa, whoa, whoa. But I never seem to get no rest. Touch with all my friends, the ones who remind me who I am. If I could just get back home to pick up where he left off, I'd take better care of myself. I'd stop drinking from the bottom shelf. But my old wheels keep spinning and I cannot make them stop. I've been American dreaming. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm American dreaming. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm American dreaming. Whoa, whoa, whoa. But I never seem to get no rest. So I get back home and try to be someone that's something like me. I've got all my angels out there in the wind, sitting out here with my mind. I meditate to pass the time, but there's something inside setting sail all over again. I've been American dreaming. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I've been American dreaming. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I've been American dreaming. Whoa, whoa, whoa. But I never seem to get no rest. American dreaming. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm American dreaming. Whoa, 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 whoa. I've been American dreaming. Whoa, whoa, whoa. But I never seem to get no rest. Well, how did they pluck us? Ivor Sawfinger's back with you again for hopefully another interesting lesson for you. Bit of bluegrassy country this time from a lovely lady called Sierra Ferrell, and a song called American Dreaming. Okay, This was my preview for the upcoming lesson that I'm about to do. Okay, whet your appetite hopefully, and let's frighten you away, of course. Standard tuning, but a capo on the 3rd fret puts us into the same key of E flat that Sierra Ferrell normally plays this song in, and did in fact record it in this song. Key. So hopefully you'll join me in a couple of days' time for the breakdown. Thanks very much. Bye for now.